Take me to the country, show me where you're from.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Margaret, and today I will be teaching you how to produce coconut oil. First of all, you have to get a big coconut, either 2 or 3. Then break the coconut, remove the coconut itself. Step 2, slice them, cut them into smaller parts. Step 3, you have to use either hot water or warm water to blend your coconuts. After blending your coconuts with either hot or warm water, you have to squeeze out water from the coconut you already blend. Step 4, you have to keep your coconut water inside the fridge. Step 5, leave it for 24 hours. Then bring it out, separate the water from the oil. You will even see that the water will be separated from the oil itself while you put it inside the fridge. Then use a hot pot, which is step 5. Use a hot pot to melt your separated oil from water inside the pot. Put the one on top of the water inside the pot and melt it. That's how you get your coconut oil. If you find this video helpful to you, and if you want anything you want to learn, you can let me know in the comment section. Please do wait to subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any of my practicals. If you want one-on-one practical, you can also do that. Bye.